1990 Porsche 964 Carrera 4 Cabriolet. Price, $64,500. Location, Austin. The 1990 Porsche 964 Carrera 4 Cabriolet is where timeless design meets groundbreaking engineering, offering a driving experience that still feels thrilling decades later. Finished in its factory Grand Prix white with a deep blue interior, this car immediately captures attention with its clean, classic look. It's a perfect representation of how Porsche refined the iconic Porsche 911 silhouette while keeping its soul intact. The exterior design is unmistakably Porsche, yet subtly modernized for the 1990s. The smooth bumpers, aerodynamic profile, and signature round headlights create a presence that is both elegant and sporty. With the blue soft top folded down, this cabriolet transforms into an open-air machine that amplifies every drive, whether you're cruising through the city or enjoying a scenic highway. The heart of this machine is its 3.6-liter flat-six engine, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission that delivers pure driver engagement. Every gear shift feels precise, every acceleration feels alive. What makes this model even more special is its all-wheel drive system, a major innovation at the time, giving the driver added control and confidence in various road conditions without sacrificing performance. The interior continues the theme of functional luxury. The dark blue cabin features power-adjustable seats, air conditioning, cruise control, and classic VDO gauges that keep the driver fully connected to the car. The layout is simple, clean, and purpose-driven. Everything is exactly where it should be, making every drive intuitive and enjoyable. The details on this car truly elevate its appeal. A clean Carfax report, original tool roll, Vredestein spare tire, and factory options sticker all point to a well-maintained and authentic example. The automatic rear spoiler, four-wheel disc brakes, and Bosch lighting system further highlight Porsche's engineering excellence during this era. The 964 generation marked a major evolution, with nearly 85% of its components redesigned compared to its predecessor. This makes it not just a beautiful classic, but also a technologically significant model in Porsche's history. It strikes the perfect balance between old-school charm and modern usability. The 1990 Porsche 964 Carrera 4 Cabriolet is more than just a car, it's an experience, a legacy, and a statement. For collectors and enthusiasts alike, this is your chance to own a piece of automotive history that continues to inspire passion every time the engine starts.